Oh my gosh, you guys, welcome back to a video on my channel where anything is and but is Pokemon related. So thank you guys so much for coming by, and don't forget to smash a like and subscribe for more Pokemon content. Anyways, so my Poke fans, we got the Silver Tempest Sword and Shield booster box, and yes, we're there. And I just gotta say that this is my very first booster box ever bought. Like, I'm serious, like ever bought in my life. Like, I bought Pokemon Elite boxes, Elite training boxes. I bought some of those, but I've never owned my own booster box, and it's kind of sad considering I'm 31 years old right now. Anyway, so but here it is. We're gonna get right into it. We're gonna open it. I showed you guys what it looked like. It's beautiful. There's a few cards that I really want. I'm Google Gaga about the Lugia cards. I mean, I love all the Lugia cards. The V-Storm, I want them all. Okay, I want the dark Lugia one. Like, I want it all. I want it all. And there's a lot of other ones that I would like to have, like the unknown cards. On the Arcanine V card is nice. Vulpix cards are really nice. I really want those. I think those are the really main ones that I really like. But I do like all of them. Ho-Ho would be nice to have. But the other full art cards and all that stuff are really nice. I mean, just be honest, like, I want them. I want all of them. I wouldn't mind having all of them, but Lugia, Ho-Ho, the unknowns, the unknown V-Stars, I definitely would like to have them. So even some of the uncommon and common cards ones are really cute, like the Pikachus. I love the artwork. The Vulpix ones, V-Stars, I definitely would want to have. Again, you know, it's just, excuse me, the Superior ones are pretty nice too. I wouldn't mind having all of them, like, to be honest. The Radiant Jirachi one is pretty cool. I mean, the Altaria, the Arcanine is pretty cool. The new Arcanine version, I forget what it's called though. But yes, I want it all. I definitely do want them all. Oh, the Milotic one is beautiful. The Flaffy one is beautiful. The Altaria is beautiful. I would love to have any of those, really. Like, I want them all. Okay. Anyways, let's get into them. Into the box. Let me adjust this a little bit. Okay, hopefully this angle is good. Okay, so let's get into it. I'm so excited. The back's got a little bit damaged, but that should be fine. Just the edges, to be expected. Okay. I've always seen other people have these. I was never able to get one myself. Oh, look at all these. There's like 36 cards, like 36 packs, right? It looks like. Oh my god, yo, check it out. Okay, I don't know how we're gonna do it. We're gonna take these out. I guess we'll do one side of the box, and then the next part of the video is gonna be the other side. How about that? Yeah. Okay. We're just gonna start from the top, I guess, cause like, okay, so we have a Vulpix one, Lugia. We have this one and this one. I think that's the only ones I see of the artwork there. Yeah. Okay, so we got 4 different types of artwork. I love the Lugia artwork. It's so adorable. I just love Lugia. Lugia has been one of my favorite of my legendaries. So, especially of the legendary ones. So we're gonna get these. Okay, let's get to it. Okay. So exciting. I'm gonna try to put this down a little more just so we can focus on the card. Okay, you guys, I don't know what to open first. Okay, let's do this one. I'm gonna open this one first. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Like, I'm so, okay, you know what? I have scissors. We're gonna open it. Let's scissors. There's so much in here. Okay, I think there's the card trick, right? That does the 4 on the front. Oh, I do have, I have bought the Count Zenith Elite Trainer boxes. I've actually ordered 3 of those. Those are going to be coming here in a couple of days. So I'll be having a video for that soon. Here's a code for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? It's still the same. 4 on the front. Okay. Energy. Meowstic. Candice Gallery. Marini. Mischievous. Swab. A Swirlix. I do have sleeves. I'm gonna have to get my sleeves out though. Rotom. And then we have a reverse is the Vulpix. Gorgeous. I think I need to zoom this down a little bit more. Okay. Gorgeous. And our first wear is the Gardevoir. No, a regular wear. That's okay. That's okay. We're gonna put a reverse here and a res here. Okay, and then a regular common. I do like to enjoy looking at the cards sometimes, so I apologize for that. I like just to, you know, slowly like just enjoy looking at the artwork. You know what I mean? Like on some of these, even like the uncommons and common cards. Okay, so here we have this. Here we are. 1, 2, 3, 4. This angle seems to be good. Okay. Energy. Emergency jelly. Serena. I never know how to pronounce her name. Fletching. Chimico. Phoebus. Fennekin Q. Spinarak. And my reverse is Jupiter. And where is Azure? Non-hollow, just a regular win. Okay, two packs in a row. Regular wares. Okay, still got a whole bunch to go, y'all. I do have binders coming in, so I'm gonna put these cards in as well. I'm just waiting for those to come in. Okay, so we have this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here we go. Energy. Trainer, Serena, Drippy, Vulpix, Emoka, Chimico, Benari, and ooh, the Radiant Serena. Oh, I love that. I love it. It looks so cool. It's like a shiny version of it. The shiny version of that is so cool. I love it. And where is a Delphox? Regular wear, but we got a first Radiant Con, aka shiny Pokemon, right? Pretty much what they are, right? Shiny ones. Okay. Let me know down in the comment below what your cards are like. Your favorite, what's your favorite V-Cons or V-Stons or full con, full art con? Let me know what your favorite is. Oh, I love just opening Pokemon packs. I don't know what it is, but it's like, oh my, that must mean something, right? I wonder what these mean when those are in there. Crap, I messed it up. Damn it, that's a rare one. So this is a rare con. I don't know if I messed it up. Did I mess it up? I don't know. Gym Trainer. But this is a regular one. We got Cornelia, Terracat, Belga, Kroga, Insolus, Zubat, a Elgem, and a reverse is a Lantern. So I did mess that up, but okay. It's all good. It's all good. It happened. So Open it, open it. I got some Pokemon Lofi mixed music playing in the background. Right now, Gold and Silver Lake of Rage is playing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, nothing too crazy yet. Candice, Galilee, Braham, Swallow, Blue, Rhoda, Banari, and Drippy, a Fanfree, cute Fanfree, a Ferrothorn, and a red. Oh! The Earthen Sealstone. This is 154 out of 195 rare. Yo, that is so cool. Attach a Pokemon tool so one of your Pokemon that doesn't already have a Pokemon tool attached. V-Star Power. That is so cool. There you go. We got something there. We got something there. Got something there, you guys. We got something. Got a little something. Alright, alright. Oh, Black Border Raycon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Fire Energy. Clay. Ooh, Cook. Anorith. Builder. Bolt Toy. Some kind of cute. Stampy. And indeed. Where is the Promoter Altar? I mean, where? We was? And, oh god. Oh god. What is it? Oh, got the retro fee. Let's go. Nice. Let's go. We got the first recon there. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. All right. Okay. Next pack. Let's go. I really would like to complete the set. I do love the Silver Tempest set. And let me know also what is you guys' favorite set so far that's been out, like Sword and Shield set or even the previous. Let me know. Energy. Anyway, Real Stick. Some Flink. Peddler. Litten. Don't have that yet. I like more quality. Some of these ones are new ones. I don't like it. Our reverse is a Rungus, and a rare is Teleflame, regular rare. Alright. I got a lot of my other cards that I actually have to organize too, so I have to go through and organize them, put them in sleeves and all that stuff. I might do a live stream video of that. That'll be interesting to do. I don't know. I might do something like that. Okay, here's a code for y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oof, starting off with the Fire Energy. Maintaining. Ooh, Tuxa Packs. Don't think we have that one yet. Lance. Not bad. Some new ones here. Yeah. Sandile. Cute. Finnegan. Monocro. A reverse is a Finnegan. And where is the Gobalion? I'm probably pronouncing that name wrong, but whatever. Alright. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go. energy. Toxapex, Lance, clean. Sandile, ooh, Swirlix, cute. Marini. Indeed. Ball toy. Oh, our reverse is fletching. Cute. And where is the bravery? The Hisuian bravery. Ooh. Nice. I really like this one. Really cute. I know a lot of people don't like seem to care much about the reverse cards, you know, but like I do like the reverse card. You know what I mean? It has a nice ring to them. I like how the reverse cards look. Okay, here we go. Another code for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, up and a front. We have the energy. Alright. Ferrothorn. Toxicroak. Ooh, Professor Labaton. Ponyta. These are new ones we don't have yet. Jupiter. Spinda. Phoebus. Our reverse card is Evidos. And where is a provider? We got the blue one, and then we got this one. Noise. Nice indeed. Very nice. How many did we open already? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cons we've opened so far. And we had like 1 recon and the trainer steel stone. But hopefully we get what we want. What we really want. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, come on. Ooh, look at that. A hollow crocodile. Ooh, let's go. Gorgeous. That's a rare hollow there. We don't have a hollow pack, do we? Come in. Toxicroak. Retain. Well, spin the. Ooh. Yay. I like this artwork. Cute Pikachu. Noibat. Tokidamaru. Yes. Oh, I wanted this one. The fluffy fool. Oh, that's so cute. Take a look at it. Oh my god. It looks so much better when you have it in your hand. Oh. I've always loved the Merritt family. Like, the Merritt family. Like, oh god. I love it. Oh my god. Yes. Yes. Okay, our first one. Let's go. Epic. Epic, 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 epic. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We got the Buffy. Alright. Is the code for you? 1, 2, 3, 4. No fun. Okay, we got a blue energy going. Ooh, Slurpuff. A Hunchcrow. Ooh, yes, I got this one. I love the Raichu card. Linton, Pedigree, Chachow, Forsey. Ooh, got another of this one. And Esper's a reverse. Interesting. And where is the new one? Non-hollow. Interesting artwork on that. On this one is what? It's like all knitted. Looks like all knitted. Like a yarn Pokemon. Okay, I don't know. That's what it looks like to me. 1, 2, 3, 4. No fun. Got yourself an energy, y'all. Hunchcrow, another white shoe. Chinchou, Meditate, super tough, but for Nick top bean on it. Oh, we got Candace, we won. And over there is the Amaldo. Didn't have those ones yet. Nice, nice. We are down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side. 5 left for this part of the video. I hit my cam a little bit, sorry about that. Well, I hit my tripod, I should say. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Green energy. And we got Brexit. Ooh, Pico, haven't been into that yet. Capturing Alona, Clink, and Stunfisk, took the model, Esper. Oh, Smeargle. We got reverse is a Croak. Oh god. Okay, hold on. Oh god. Yes, we got one. Oh my god, we got this one. We got the Lugia V-Star. Let's go. Oh my god. This one is 139 out of 195. Oh my god, we got this one. Let's go. Yes. We got it. Oh my god, it is so beautiful. I love it. Oh my god, I love it. Going right over here. Oh my god, I can't believe we got one. I hope we get one of the other ones too, you guys. I hope we get one of the other ones too. I really do hope, man. I really do hope. Okay. Especially that one other Lugia that's like, I love the other one too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yellow energy. Pico, catching on Slowpoke, fletching, Fussy, Smeargle, Esper, ooh, Dratini. Nice. I mean, what's is Rufflet? Oh, yes! Oh my god, we got the yellow Ruffle Pixie. I wanted this one. Oh my god, yes! Gorgeous! So gorgeous! Yes, I can't believe it! Holy cow! Down to the last 3. Let's go. Okay, to the good stuff. Alright. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, hold on. Energy, Sunflower, Alter, Dang, didn't have that one yet. Manonite, Dora, Waltz, Fletching, Trini, Reversing Mocha, Q, and where is Arcanine? Regular wear, very nice. Don't have that Arcanine yet. Did not pull that one yet. Order Emogo. There's a few cards that we didn't pull on that one yet, which is nice. Alright, Pokemon code 1, 2, 3, 4. Down to the last 2, y'all. Last 2. Fire Energy, Alter, Denane, Vixen, Mocha, Build, Stunfisk, what? Oh my god, what's not? And we have a Superior V full art with her, what's her name? Oh my god, and a red, ooh, a hollow Archtops. Let's go! Yo, that's sick. That is sick. Another full art con there. Our last pack of this video. Oh my god, you guys, what is it gonna be? What could it be? Oh my gosh. I'm loving this set. I'm loving it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am loving this set. Like, I just love the artwork on this set. Okay, Psychic Energy, Serena, Dracula, Walker Trainer, Growlithe, Q, Mischievous, Wilma, Mokro, Emoka, Reverse Hypno, and a regular Feelware, but very cute. Love it. Very cute. Yo, alright. That was it for this part of the video. We're gonna do a quick recap of the ones we did pull this side of this part of the video. So this is gonna be a 2-part video. So recap time. Okay, let's get our con, baby. Yeah. We're gonna save the best for last. Yeah, boy. Okay, so I know this is like a reverse card-ish, I guess, but it's a radiant Pokemon, and it's awesome. Okay, it is awesome, beautiful, just beautiful. So we have that. We got the Earthiest Seal Stone, Hollow Card Trainer, very nice, very nice. Hollow ones we got was Archeops. Archeops. I can't pronounce some of these names. Very beautiful. Love it. We got Crocodile Hollow. Very nice. We got the lower full Pixie. Yay. So beautiful. Yeah, so beautiful. We got the Superior V. Yeah. Full on. Let's go. We got the fluffy one of the ones that I wanted. And we got Evolugia V-Star 1. Let's go. Oh, yeah. So epic. And we got Retro V. One of the first ones that we pulled. Very nice. Very nice. I love the Lugia V-Star. I love these. Oh, they're so cute. Gonna have to put them in the sleeves right away, which I will as soon as I'm done recording this video. And of course, we got like the regular rares here. We got the regular rares. Showed up a little bit of love. And we got the reverse cards, the lovely reverse cards and all that great stuff. I'm gonna put them all in the bindings as soon as I get them. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching for this part. Don't forget to smash the like for more, to spread the love, and don't forget to subscribe to see more of my videos and hit the notification bell to not miss a video when it's uploaded. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye-bye.